2025 Small Garden Trends, Modern Elegance and Nature in Landscape Design. In 2025, small garden trends are poised to revolutionize how we perceive and utilize our outdoor spaces, particularly for those with limited square footage. Modern elegance paired with natural elements is the hallmark of these trends, allowing homeowners to transform compact areas into serene, luxurious retreats. This year is all about creating harmonious, stylish environments that blend seamlessly with the surrounding natural world, regardless of space constraints. One of the most exciting trends is the emphasis on smart garden layouts that maximize every inch of your outdoor area. This involves strategic planning to ensure that each element serves a purpose and complements the overall design. Think of modular furniture that is both functional and aesthetic, enabling a seamless transformation of your garden's utility, whether for entertaining or relaxing. Vertical greenery solutions continue to gain popularity, offering a creative and practical way to incorporate more plant life into small spaces. Living walls are not just visually stunning but also beneficial for air quality and insulation. These vertical gardens bring vibrancy and texture to small house gardens, injecting life into otherwise bland walls or fences. Sustainability is at the forefront of 2025's gardening trends. Homeowners are increasingly opting for eco-friendly practices, such as rainwater harvesting systems and solar-powered garden lights. Xeriscaping, which involves designing landscapes to reduce or eliminate the need for irrigation, is another trend that is gaining traction. This sustainable approach not only conserves water, but also promotes the use of native plants that thrive in local conditions. Color plays a significant role in 2025, with earthy tones dominating the palette. Expect hues inspired by the natural world: soft greens, muted browns, and gentle creams. These colors create a calming backdrop that enhances the beauty of your garden, subtly complementing the lush greenery and natural materials like stone and wood. Biophilic design, which emphasizes the human connection to nature, is a central theme in transforming small gardens. This approach can be seen in the use of natural textures, organic forms, and patterns that mimic natural environments. Biophilic elements are not just aesthetic choices, but are believed to reduce stress and enhance well-being, offering a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Ambient lighting is another integral aspect of modern garden design. In 2025, expect to see innovations in LED lighting that not only illuminate your garden at night, but also enhance its aesthetic appeal. Soft, warm lights can transform your space into a magical evening retreat, highlighting key features such as plant arrangements, water features, or architectural elements. Stone pathways, a staple of elegant garden design, are being reimagined to suit contemporary styles. Organic shapes and eco-friendly materials are being used to create paths that not only lead visitors through the garden, but also add a sculptural quality to the landscape. In essence, the trends for small house gardens in 2025 celebrate a sophisticated union of modern elegance and nature. This year's designs focus on creating functional, beautiful spaces that maintain a deep connection with the natural world, offering a peaceful sanctuary where homeowners can unwind and recharge. Whether you're redesigning a backyard, courtyard, or balcony, these trends provide endless inspiration for crafting a charming, eco-conscious outdoor haven.